Kenny tree is gold, and it was a magical tree. It produced so many flowers. One time I was picking flowers at her house, and you know, it's good to wear sunglasses or something, because sometimes when you're climbing up the tree and you're going into the tangle of the tree, that you might turn around and get stabbed in the eye. She had these metal chairs, and one time, man, I was like, I thought I had them, you know. I used to be surfer girl like 20 years ago, so I thought I had them, and boom, I went down, and I landed on the backside of that metal chair, and I was like this. I was breathing like 8 times, I think, because bugger was sore. And she goes, "Oh, you okay?" I said, "Oh, I fell off the chair." And she goes, "Yeah, no, fall off the chair next time." But that was how. And I love her, I miss her. I'd love to introduce our next generation of Hawaiian musicians. Her name is Iliahi Kaʻōnohi. She's my niece. We've been working on Mailani Makainai for the last 5 years. And she lives all the way in St. George, Utah, and she comes home as much as she can to share. And so I'm gonna let her take it away. Mele that honors Aunty T.
Wow.